Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on with my card for the One Sketch Challenge, which is hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. So once a month, Lisa holds the sketch challenge and there are a number of other ladies taking part. I will leave a link to all their channels and Lisa's in my description box below. So first of all, I have made a tent style card, and for the center piece of paper I've used some papers from my little ombre bright paper pad. That is some of the little designs in there, and I've stuck that down, and then I have taken two pieces of glitter paper, and this is absolutely fabulous. There's no shedding of glitter. It's all encapsulated into the paper. So the first piece I used was this sort of lovely purple colour, and then I popped some green glitter, which was this one. And what I've done is I've cut two strips of the papers out, and if we just look at the sketch, this little strip at the top is slightly narrower than the strip at the bottom. So I've made my lilac strip the smaller and the green one a little bit bigger. And then for the strip on the card, which is this little piece that runs down like so, instead of making just one colour, what I decided to do was pop the two colours together, and I stuck the purple glitter piece over the top of the green glitter and then popped it down onto my card. And then what I also did was, just for a little bit of contrast, at the top and the bottom of the card, I've cut a narrow strip of the purple and green glitter paper and just popped those at the top and the bottom of the card. And then for my centerpiece, I have got this cute little topper with the cute robin sat on top of the little flowers. I've popped some foam pads onto the back. So what I like to do is just pop a little bit of glue onto the back of my foam pads, which I will pop on now. So I will just go around with my glue like so, and then I am just going to pop this. Now, looking again at the sketch, there is more of the paper showing at the top than there is at the bottom, and it comes right across to this paper underneath. So I am going to, let's get that straight, just pop that down there like so. Okay, so that's nicely up on the foam pads. And then just to finish off, I have used my Butterfly Kisses Dovecraft paper pad. I've had it absolutely ages and I've still got loads and loads left. So from there I took the sentiment sheet and I've just cut out the sentiment with love and popped it to the top right hand side of my card. And then to finish the card, I have popped 5 little pearls along the bottom of the card, and then 2 little pearls on the purple strip of card at the top. And yeah, there you go. There is my card for the One Sketch Challenge hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. I will leave a link to all of the channels in my description box. Don't forget to head on over to all of the other channels. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon, and bye bye for now.